Hello guys, welcome to another episode on AB Crypto Talk. This video it's about KYVE Network Testnet. Alright, so this testnet it's gonna run for 2 months and they are giving 2% of the total supply to testers. All right, so the next thing for you to do now is to go over to uh, the test site. Okay, so before you go, please do not forget to follow me on Twitter on at ab underscore Bitcoin. All right, so go over to the test site, the testnet site, and connect your Kaifa wallet. Okay, so if you don't have this wallet, you just have to create a new one. Okay, so once you get to this site, just connect your your wallet. Okay, I'm trying to sign in right now. Okay, so now you can see that I'm connected. Then you go over to the faucet so that you can claim your test token. Now this is what you need to know. There are three ways in which you can claim your test token. One, you can claim using your Twitter account. You can claim using your Discord, and also through this spin the wheel. So the thing is this: you have to claim the three of them. So okay, I have succeeded in claiming mine. You can see my balance over here that I have 32 Kive test token. So the next thing for we to do is to go over to the tax. Okay, so this is the tax here. Now you can see they said task completed to date. They have three different tasks in which you can do. The first one is the community task. This is simple. You can do this yourself. Claim on Twitter, retweet Twitter. If you are getting 4 points, like on Twitter, follow. So these ones are easy. All right. So they have the content task. This has to do with you creating video tutorial, create video introduction, create funny contests, create explanatory content. So okay, now this is the engineering task. This has to do with governance votes, pool staking, pool delegating, pool funding. Okay, so now we are going to carry out these engineering tasks. All right, so mind you, please, if you are claiming the faucet token, these claim on Twitter actually takes time. You have to be patient. All right, you have to be patient because the I think the network is congested and everyone is trying to claim. All right, and for these I don't know what is happening here, but I just have to continue. Okay, so you can see I've already mined these. I've already not mined yet. Okay, so now let's go over to the engineering task, and the first thing we are going to do is to delegate. So we have to go to pools. We have to go to pools, and we have to choose which of the network we want to use. All right. So in this case, let's say we want to use we are using the let's say we want to use this particular network. Okay, we want to use this particular network. Now we have clicked on the network. The next thing for which to do now it's to go over to this delegation. Okay, now we just need to choose one of these available validator for delegation. So we have to choose one and do something. Okay, so let's say we are choosing this. Okay, continue, continue. Okay, I have let's say I'm delegating just 20 of these KYVE token, then I just need to click delegate in validators with 20. Okay, so I have to confirm these on my wallet. You can see delegating into validators. All right, so I think this is done. So now we have just finished this delegating to a validator. Let's see what if it was successful. You go over to show my delegation. All right, you can see that my delegation amount is 20 KYVE token. Okay, so the next thing for we to do is go over to the pool funding tax. Okay, how do you get to go over there? You go through you have to click this founder, these founders, I mean to say. Then the next thing to do is become a founder. All right, so this is where I just click become a founder. Then you click continue, you click continue, then maximum current minimum fund is 350 available. So what this means is I have to claim more test token. Okay, so I need to claim more test token, because if you when you are claiming because when you are claiming these test token, you can only claim that of Twitter once. Then you can claim with Discord, you can claim once in 24 hours. So I have to wait for 24 hours. Then also on these, it has to be um once in every 24 hours. All right, so what else do we need to do? We can go over to the governance and see if we can vote. All right, so let's see. Okay, so there's nothing yet to do at the moment. All right, my baby is sleeping, so there's nothing yet to do at the moment. Okay, so now I just need to wait till I have the test token and complete this stuff. Okay, so now let me take you to the Discord. Okay, so how do you claim using the Discord? All you need to do is to copy these message here, these faucets, and these copy these, go over to the Discord, which I will leave link on this Discord. Go over to the Discord, then um you can verify yourself. Okay, then go over to these faucets, these faucets, and paste the message. Okay, you can see others are pasting. Okay, so you will be given the test token. So guys, this is just the short video on how to carry out text activities on KYVE network. So guys, please take action and do this. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow me on Twitter at ab_Bitcoin.